If you're having trouble accessing your Robinhood account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Visit the Robinhood website. Go to the official Robinhood website or open the Robinhood app on your device. Ensure you are using the correct platform to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the process to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Robinhood account. This information is necessary for Robinhood to verify your identity and send you a password reset link. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a password reset email or SMS from Robinhood. Follow the instructions provided in the message to create a new password and regain access to your account. Step 5. Secure your account. Once you regain access, immediately update your security settings. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection and review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly regain ownership of your Robinhood account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for further assistance.